Can you actually install ridge vents on a roof if there are no soffit vents already in place? So, ridge vents are awesome for letting hot air escape from your attic, but they work best when air can come in from somewhere else too, usually soffit vents at the bottom of the roof. If you don't have soffit vents, the air won't flow right, and your ridge vent won't do its job properly. So, first up, check if your roof even has soffit vents or room to add them, because that fresh air intake is key. If adding soffit vents isn't an option, you might want to think about other ventilation options like gable vents or roof turbines that don't rely so much on that airflow setup. Also, keep in mind, proper attic ventilation helps prevent moisture buildup and keeps your home cooler in summer, so don't just slap on ridge vents and hope for the best. When installing ridge vents, make sure the ridge is clean and free from debris so it seals tight but still lets air move through. Use high-quality vent materials designed for your roof type to avoid leaks or damage down the line. And always check local building codes or talk to a pro to see what's allowed or recommended in your area. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ridge vent installation without existing soffit vents is thinking the ridge vent alone will fix ventilation issues, but without intake vents, airflow gets blocked. Fix this by adding soffit or alternative intake vents before installing ridge vents. Another common issue is poor installation where the vent isn't sealed correctly, causing leaks. Make sure to follow installation guides carefully and use proper flashing and sealants. The third problem is ignoring attic insulation and moisture control, which can mess with ventilation effectiveness. Keep insulation away from vent openings and consider a moisture barrier to keep everything working smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know the ins and outs of proper roof, ventilation, and installation. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people who need reliable home improvement work and build their reputation.